definitely gonna have to come up with a better idea.
You want to pull forward, maybe? So we can just. Yeah, I'm downstairs. Yeah. Yeah, she's here. The pallet fell off. I'll be up in a second.
Probably didn't want to do that,
Yeah,
right?
that's fine. Just keep going forward so we can pull it out.
That looks like a lot of fun.
Good?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh shit, it's all falling. Like, we're just waiting anyways. God, and I felt bad when I dropped the books. This is worse than dropping the books that day.
Just got back. There it is. Most of it made it. I actually lost a few on the ride, but I don't know if you guys saw, we picked this up. This was right on the top, and I looked it up. Comps are really good. It's a PS1 game, Lunar, and it's complete. And it looks like about 120 to like 180, somewhere around there. So let's get half the pallet already paid for. So I'm going to start unloading here. I'll try to video as much as I can. So normally this is how I do it. I'm going to go through, and anything that is new sealed I will put in a bin. All right, and then I will put CDs together. They go in their own bin. Anything that is new or interesting or video games goes in one. Opened DVDs, used DVDs go in a bin, and then I'll do a bin for VHS and cassettes. This doesn't look like there's a lot of cassettes in this one. Not a lot of VHS either. Hopefully there's more games, but I'll just dig through and start going. It's probably about an hour worth of work. It was a Wii game. So, and then I'll look those up later. Normally I list the Wii and you know, all the video games and all the sealed media first, and then I'll start scanning some of the other stuff, you know, the complete seasons and stuff like that. Like here's two right here, season 3 and 4. A lot of junk. This type of stuff goes into the trash pile. So let me see if you guys can see if I can get this thing set up. Found a couple. These are kind of cool. They're sealed, but I have no idea. Not for resale, so probably came with the PS3. You just make your stack. So this is sealed, so that'll go in its own little pile. And anything else you think is interesting, you will end up with a bunch of trash. Hey, there you go, B-52s. I'm getting there. Getting there. There's the trash. Just pulled these two out of the pile. They are complete. So I'll have to scan them. They go in the big box of new sealed video games, DVDs, Blu-rays, that type of stuff, oddities. They go in that one. Probably another 20 minutes. Almost there. A little bit more. I am finally done. A little out of breath. Just taking everything downstairs. Got another bag of good stuff. And I think 3 bins of CDs and just 1 bin of VHS. So a little different than last time. It was almost all VHS, and not all VHS, but that was the filler. You know, you gotta sort through the good stuff. Anyway, I did pick up some really good items. I think I mentioned it before, this Lunar, some other video games, which mostly are complete. Some Star Trek, some of them are sealed. These are pretty cool. VHS, Next Generation, like that one. And it's got, I think, like 2 episodes on each one. So I'll have to see if that's a complete one. A Johnny Carson, like 40 years of The Tonight Show. Sex and the City, complete series. This is a metal case, the Pacific DVD set. A couple of sealed DVDs. This one's awesome. That's the band Yes. Some other full seasons of movies and shows. This is what the pallet looks like. So it's pretty big, but truck can definitely handle it. You know, I don't know how you would get one home. They do deliver. Now I gotta take the trash out. This is basically stuff that was missing, the discs, or junky cassettes, or homemade copies of tapes and media. It's really not worth even bringing downstairs. So that's about it. Till next time.